This is an RCA Victor radio from 1950, one of the most common Bakelite radios ever made. 75 years of kitchens and living rooms, and at some point it ended up at Spade and Archer, a prop house in Seattle, Washington. The capacitors are shot, the tubes are old. It was never going to be a radio again. So the chassis came out, all of it, and I started thinking about what goes back in. I decided to repurpose this. I placed a Raspberry Pi 5 connected to a 20 terabyte hard drive, and now this backs up my computers at home. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.